Hi, Jan here. I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on the LumiSpa. The LumiSpa is something that I believe well, not just woman, every human should have as far as a cleansing device, because it's not only cleansing, it's actually, and this is my belief about everything, if you're going to be doing something to cleanse your skin, or your hair or anything else, let's go ahead and do something that actually helps the tissue rebuild, the health of the tissue for not only now, but going forward. And that's exactly what our AgeLOC technology is. Now, this LumiSpa that I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be doing a quick demo because it takes 2 minutes. It is a very cool invention. It has a removable silicone head that is impregnated with silver, so it's actually detoxifying the tissue. I don't know if you can see it here. You'll see that it has I can't, it's not moving for me, but it has a bi-directional one. The center circle goes one direction, the outer ring goes another direction. And the other thing that it does, got to get my face and neck wet, and the other thing that's really cool about it is that it goes into the shower or the bath because it's charged with a magnet. Now, you simply have the cleansers. There was a lot of money and time spent on this invention. Our chief scientific officer did not believe it was going to work, and it's off right now. I'm just kind of smearing some of the cleanser on my face around a little bit, and now I'll push the button and turn it on and keep talking. And you just go slow and cover every portion of your face. It's going to stop and pause every 30 seconds to remind us to go to another component or another portion of the face, another place, okay? He didn't believe it was going to work, and the scientific studies that were done, third-party, double-blind, crossover, placebo-based, randomized efficacy studies came back. See, it's telling me to move on. Came back that it absolutely is doing so much. It is exfoliating my tissue, right? Taking off that top layer of dead skin that makes us look older, and it's not that healthy to have hanging around there. The other thing it does 7 different things. It reduces pore size, it super cleans the tissue, as I'd already mentioned, and it has a lot of benefits as far as smoothness. Keeps doing this thing. And the main reason that I'm so excited about it is that they actually spent more time on the cleansers, believe it or not, than they did the device itself to get the exact right amount of viscosity for the right slip and grip so that it gently grabs the tissue, gently. You don't feel it, but it's stimulating the regrowth of collagen. 2 minutes, morning and night, super clean your tissue, and just stimulate the growth of collagen at the exact same time. You'll see a lifting, toning, but the thing that happens when you're stimulating that collagen growth is you're literally causing the density of your tissue to increase, which is much like that of a younger person. So it's called the LumiSpa. It is on sale, and not a special sale, but it is available now. And I'm going to recommend, oh my God, I'm glad I should have shown you how much stuff was on that head. Ooh. So you can just rinse that off, and now I just simply take a wet washcloth, wipe her off, put on a little toner, put on a little serum and moisturizer, and I'm ready to go out into the day. And 2 minutes morning and night, all I'm doing is washing, but I'm actually not needing to do exfoliation any longer. I don't need to go get expensive facials. It's amazing. Now, I do want to point out one extra little thing. Starting tomorrow, which is the 26th of March, there is a new device that will be sold separately or together, either one, that pops onto this thing that uses a different serum for under the eyes, these bags under the eyes, and that is going to be, it's called the LumiSpa Accent. and it is doing remarkable things under the eyes. I'll do a different video for that.